go.
Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Fine. Thank you.
And you? I'm fine, thank you for asking me that. Okay, so before we start our lesson today, who is absent? Everyone here? Yes, everyone here? Okay, before we start, let's pray together. Pray, start. Pray, finish. Okay, thank you everyone. So, anyone remember what is our previous lesson? Recount text. Okay, good job, Chacha. Thank you. And anyone else? No one. So last meeting we also learned about celebration and cultural plays. Okay. We also learned about celebration and cultural plays. And then anyone wants to mention what is our lesson about cultural plays and celebration?
Language.
Oh, apa saja?
Language structure.
Language structure. Yes, but our last meeting, we also learned about Diwali, and then Taj Mahal, and then Diwali. And Taj Mahal, and also Borobudur. Okay, good job, thank you, Hilmi. And nothing else? We also learned about Bang Satu Suro. Okay, good job, Hilmi. So, Chacha mentioned about three context. So, can you mention three parts of the context in our previous meeting? Rupa. Okay. Anyone else? It's okay, Chacha. Okay. So, the complex it has three parts. For the first part is orientation, and then
Identification.
event. Okay, thank you for trying to answer. And then for the last is reorientation. Okay, good job, Bintang. Thank you. So today, instead of read and listen about cultural plays and celebration, we going to practice speaking in front of class individually about your experience about cultural plays or celebration. Understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so anyone familiar with these pictures? Siapa yang pernah nonton GFC? Can you watch it clearly?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is this?
Yes.
Kostum.
GFC, kostumnya. It is GFC. Caca pernah datang ke GFC? Oh, pernah lewat doang. Itu pakai jajan. Dan siapa yang beli? Alisa juga sih, tapi ini in Japanese it is called midodoremi or siraman. Jadi sebelum pernikahan mereka ada upacara siraman. Are you familiar with that? Yeah. Okay, good job. And then what is it?
Laut.
Apa pernah jelas ya?
Kapal.
Petik laut. Okay, good job. It is petik laut. Biasanya di masyarakat pesisir yang merayakan petik laut untuk bersyukur dan menolak bala atau menolak bencana. Next is gerbek suro. Oke, thank you, good job, Bintang. Gerbek suro itu juga seperti bersyukur atas kelimpahan hasil panen. Biasanya diadakan di bulan suro, biasanya di Jawa Tengah. And next
Salib.
Idul Fitri. Oke, good job. Thank you, Tisha. Ini adalah Idul Fitri dan kita belum merayakannya sekitar 3 bulan yang lalu. Apakah ibu tidak merayakan? Okay, next is nasi kuning. ulang tahun.
Biasanya kayak syukuran dan meresmikan bangunan.
Syukuran. Jadi biasanya semua ini adalah simbolize untuk bersyukur kepada Tuhan, untuk merayakan atau merayakan seperti perayaan bersyukur gitu, kayak bersyukur untuk pembukaan usaha, untuk ulang tahun, untuk merayakan halwa. And then next is kembang dong. So what is the celebration buat kembang dong? Maulutan. Okay. In Japanese, especially in Banyuwangi, we celebrate Maulid Nabi through kelahiran Nabi. Apa sih arak-arakan?
Oh.
I don't know how to spell arak-arakan. Arak-arakan jadi ada bunga telur itu dibuat dari pohon pisang, terus dihias, isinya telur ditancap-tancapin terus diarak keliling desa. Itu juga untuk merayakan kelahiran Nabi Muhammad SAW. And the last one is sebelah. Oke, Bintang pernah datang sebelah? Pernah nonton sebelah?
Saya pernah.
Yuri pernah?
Pernah. Tapi bukan di Banyuwangi.
Oh, di mana Yuri?
Di SMA.
Oh, oke.
Ya itu kan.
Oke, so mungkin teman-teman udah familiar dengan Borobudur dan Candi Prambanan. Ini juga ada Pura Uluwatu. Pura Uluwatu itu ada di Bali. Terus ada Jam Gadang juga. Untuk Borobudur kita udah pernah bahas di edisi sebelumnya. Okay, so for the learning objective today is by the end of the lesson, students are able to share cultural experience using a simple written text. So you will share your experience orally in front of us. Next is identify cultural values from different experience. So you will share your experience and identify the difference and the value of others' experience. And next is respect cultural diversity through discussion. So for today's activity, the first thing we will share your cultural experience in progress, as I said before, and then discuss the most interesting experience in a group. So in a group, you will discuss what is the most interesting experience in your group, and then you will identify the cultural value of the experience, and then we going to compare the idea together in class. Okay, before we move to the next activity, anyone want to question? Want to ask? Okay, Cica?
Apa aja?
Apa aja
Ngomonginnya apa aja?
experience-nya? Yes, apa aja Cica? Bisa culture place you have visit, bisa celebration you have attend, anything. Gak harus yang ada di layar, kayak seperti kalian biasanya pengajian, biasanya yang cowok-cowok tahlilan kan, 7 harian, ada selapanan, and anything.
Oke, Miss, thank you.
Yes. So before we start our speaking performance, here is the guiding document you can follow. For the first is orientation. Orientation is about where and when did it happen, and then what happened for the event. And the last one is the orientation. What did you learn or feel? You can follow this template. You can talk about a cultural place you visited and a cultural celebration you attended. So it's anything related to cultural celebration and cultural place. And then here's the example. So before we start, I want one person to help me to read the orientation.
Saya Miss.
Okay, hear me. Please read the first.
Orientation. Last year I visited Borobudur Temple with my family.
Okay, thank you. Good job, Yumi. Bintang, maybe you can help me.
The second is event. We explore the temple and learn about its history.
about it?
The third one is
Yes.
realization. I found amazed by its cultural significance.
Okay, thank you. Good job, Chacha. So here's the example. Before we start our speaking performance, anyone want to add on to us?
No, Miss.
No? Everyone has know what the idea to share in front of us?
Not yet, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Masih pikir, okay, but you understand about the template, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, you can only just follow the template. It's okay. There's only 3 sentences. It's okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So, I give you 1 minute to prepare your performance. Starting for now.
Miss, boleh lihat template-nya lagi, Miss?
Okay. Sure, Chacha.
Thank you, Miss.
How about you?
I'm on progress.
How about you, Black? Okay.
Sudah, Miss?
Okay, are you done, Yumi?
Yes, Miss.
Are you done, Chacha?
Not yet, Miss.
How about Bintang? Are you done? Untuk menghemat waktu, bagaimana kalau kita panggil lebih dulu untuk performance? Apakah setuju? Okay, so Hilmi,
Yes,
you
Miss.
can you can share your experience to us right now in front of us.
In front of the class, Miss.
Yes.
Okay, Miss. Okay, I want to share my experience in local celebration at Bogor. So 3 years ago, my brothers had married a woman and do celebration called Hajatan, and in Hajatan there is a lot of fireworks like from paper that this big and very loud, and when the grooms come, it will light up. The fireworks will light up to menyambut si pengantin wanitanya. And I was very sad but exciting because it is so.
Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, are you
Maybe
ready?
that's all. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Hilmi. Good job. Please applause yourself.
Thank you.
Okay, next performance.
Saya.
Okay, please come forward, Chacha.
Langsung ini, Miss.
Yes. Time is yours.
Hello, my name is Caca. I'm going to present my experience in my hometown. So last year I watched Maulidan in my hometown, and people are so excited in celebrating Maulidan in my hometown because not only egg that tertancap in pohon pisangnya, but also money. So people are gathered and also very excited to celebrate that because they can gain money from that. So I also feel excited because I can get the money.
Okay.
Thank you. That's all.
That's all, Chacha. Okay, thank you, Chacha. It's a great story. Please applause. about the tumpeng and we share in my friends and with my family. Uh, I think it was a very happy and enjoy moment because I shared the happiness with my family and my friends. Okay. Okay, thank you, Indra. It's a great story. Okay. You all have shared your experience about culture celebration. And then for the next activity is group discussion. So, because the because we have only 3 students today, I want you to make a group in one group. 3 of you in one group. Please. Come to sini. Di sini aja. Okay, so here's the worksheet. You need to discuss about your experience and choose one the most interesting experience. So, and then you express the value of the experience, and then after that we're going to discuss in class, and for the reflection we can do this for the homework. Okay? Here's the worksheet. You can only just just check this part and explain, or you can add some information in this checklist. Okay, thank you. cooperation, cultural preservation, cooperation, and then cultural preservation. Oke. Terus ada appreciation of diversity. Appreciation of diversity. Diversity. Okay, good job. So let's analyze what is the difference and the similarity to group 2. What is the most interesting experience from the group 2? Attending Malam Satu Suro. And then for the values, they have respect, tradition, and so what is the similarity of the two celebration? Respect. And then we also appreciate of diversity because in group 2 they attending Malam Satu Suro, and then you have Maulidan, which is Maulidan is only celebrate in Banyuwangi. So and Malam Satu Suro only celebrate in Jawa Tengah. Okay, good job. So if you why you choose Maulidan for your most interesting experience? Group 1. Why you choose Maulidan for the most interesting experience?
Because Maulidan celebrate in all region in Indonesia.
Maulidan celebrate in all regions in Indonesia. No. Oh, all in Banyuwangi. Okay, so you can back to your chair now, and let's move to the next activity. Okay, everyone, you have did such a great job today. You already have a good performance, a speaking performance, and also you actively participate in a group work. And then so today we listen our experience, our each experience. Each of you have shared your experience, and then what is the cultural values we have lesson today? Respect and appreciation to the diversity. And then also our celebration is different from other regions. We must to show our respect. And then for the next meeting, I want you to prepare your opinion. We're going to learn about expressing opinion about the experiences you have shared today. Okay, everyone understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. And anyone want to ask? No, Miss. Okay. So maybe we can close our lesson today. Yes, Miss. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much, Lisa. Now, the one who observed was Tisha and Nindi, right? Okay, now let's hear what Nindi has to say first.
Okay, Tisha, thank you for the performance. Jadi, menurutku itu udah almost perfect ya. Di awal udah ada dan terus juga udah review langsung discussion. Sisa says. Jadi tiap instruction itu pasti nanya any question or any want to ask itu harus banget. Terus banyak specific tools gitu, jadi enjoyable learning sama bikin fun atmosphere gitu, jadi kayak teman-teman banget, tegang-tegang banget. Terus itu juga udah banyak senyum, dan learning objectivenya juga udah clear. Terus Iza juga provide guiding template buat speakingnya dan example, dan itu membantu banget buat siswanya buat diaktifin sama tadi. Terus Resume manajemennya juga udah oke, di aktiviti pertama tadi juga udah setting satu-satu, terus di aktiviti kedua juga udah monitoring group discussion-nya. Terus buat aktiviti pertama tadi juga kita kayak ngasih applause buat siswa yang membantu. Terus fundraising-nya juga buat negatifnya mungkin picture yang pertama itu kebanyakan dan itu kecil-kecil, tapi tadi Iza udah inisiatif buat Zoom dan itu bagus banget. Terus misalnya juga Iza jelasin satu-satu kan tadi dan ditanyain dari setiap anak. Terus yang terakhir itu pas acara internasional apa gitu, terus Iza bilang nanti bakalan kita bahas next week, itu positifnya sih. Tapi tadi pas discussion pas yang aktivitas juga, Iza ambil kesempatan itu buat cari ya. Nah itu di situ tips-nya. Jadi udah tertutup lah. Jadi that's all. Thank you Iza.
Okay, thank you very much, Cindy, for the kind feedback. Now let's listen to Isya.
Sebenarnya selamat buat Iza udah sukses di performance hari ini. Langsung aja aku mulai dari opening. Tadi Iza udah buka kelasnya dengan ceria, meskipun kelasnya juga sepi tapi ya pakai juga. Terus buat yang banyak siswa sampai first lesson juga udah bagus banget karena meskipun siswanya lupa tapi Iza tetap ngasih clue kayak beberapa tentang clue yang udah dipelajari biar siswa itu lebih tahu apa yang udah dipelajari. Terus buat set induction-nya juga Iza udah ngasih banyak pictures about celebration, first places, terus juga nanya siswa tentang prior knowledge-nya about the cultures and experience, kayak kalian udah pernah merayakan ini belum atau pernah datang ke ini belum gitu, terus ini perayaannya di mana gitu. Selain menanyakan experience yang udah relate ke siswa, Iza juga udah ngejelasin tiap culture dengan cukup jelas kayak perayaan ini buat apa, terus di mana dan lain-lain, which is very good karena bisa buat siswanya ini kayak dapat richer cultural knowledge for students. Terus juga buat explanation-nya, Iza juga udah cukup jelas karena Iza udah mention di PPT juga example of structure context buat siswanya biar lebih paham juga. Terus buat instruction atas individualnya, menurut aku mungkin kalau bisa lebih baik kalau setelah ngasih instruction nanyain lagi ke siswanya, karena tadi kayaknya kurang nanyain siswanya apa mereka itu benar-benar paham dan apa yang harus mereka lakukan untuk praktis ke depannya gitu, biar lebih clear instructionnya. Terus tasnya itu juga udah bagus banget karena nyuruh siswa untuk sharing their cultural experience through speaking experience, yang bikin siswa itu bisa saling sharing tentang culture mereka sendiri-sendiri. Terus siswa yang lain juga mendengarkan waktu siswanya ini maju. Terus untuk grup tas instructionnya juga udah jelas banget. Siswa Iza ngejelasin langsung di sini. Tapi better kalau Iza nanyain lagi ke siswanya, karena si Iza setelah ngejelasin langsung ditinggal kayak what do you understand kayak gitu. Karena sejauh yang aku dua informasinya itu. Terus buat closingnya, refleksinya udah cukup bagus, tapi mungkin lebih baik kalau question yang dipakai Izani nggak cuma dari surface level aja. Kayak reflection mention some material yang udah dipelajari, tapi juga nanya ke siswanya kayak why do you think we should respect agriculture? Kayak jangan cuma Izani yang summarize reflection ICC komponennya. Terus tambahan dari aku mungkin bisa make sure dari awal sampai akhir buat lebih ceria, karena meskipun siswanya yang sepi dan bikin suasana kelas jadi kayak krik-krik gitu, tapi mungkin Izanya bisa lebih ceria biar bisa bikin bangun kelasnya ini lebih hidup.
Okay, thank you very much, Alicia. The feedback and evaluation is very detailed. Okay, now Iza, how do you feel about this performance compared to before? How do you feel about your performance today compared to your previous performance before?
Sebenarnya tadi saya udah kena mental gara-gara kasih titik nih.
Yeah.
Jadi saya bingung gimana ya compare. Jadi saya udah mau session tadi tuh kepikiran si compare activity ini.
Yang adik ingin dua itu tadi ya.
Iya.
Okay. Alright, so things happen and actually I think you did well in terms of finding this kind of problem gitu kan ya. Mau diundur ke hari Sabtu juga nanggung juga kan biar segera bebas gitu ya. Right, now in terms of the structure, as usual you did a good structure starting from the opening, from this induction until the closure, even though the closure mungkin agak itu tadi ya, agak ngoyang dikit, like you were lost for words, kayak di belakang tuh energinya hilang gitu deh. Ngerasa gak? Zan? Di belakang, aduh apa tadi aku ngomong apa dah gitu. Okay. However, what is your power is that you tried your hard, even though you know that your friends do not remember what you discussed in the previous meetings, you still try to connect this meeting in the meeting now. Walaupun tadi tebak-tebakannya ada yang ngeluh nggak ya gitu, yang ngeluh punya Yudis kayaknya. So because there are so many cultures, they are all mixed up, but you still try to try your best to try to connect it with your today's learning. The opening is also interesting, in which even though the picture is unclear because you put everything in there, then when you realize temennya itu gambar apa ya, then you just take action to zoom it in so that we can see clearly what it is. Even though some of the culture yang ditunjukkan seperti itu, kalau nggak salah ada 2 atau 3 itu jadi Banyuwangi saja gitu ya. Walaupun itu menarik bagi saya. It is still okay. Apalagi kan kita di daerah timur begini ya. So it is much better actually to understand the culture around you. Dan kita jauh-jauh di culture sana tapi tidak paham culture kita sendiri. Yang tadi yang kembang dok itu, kembang dok ya namanya. Nah, saya baru tahu di situ. Kalau nggak dimunculkan di sini kan saya tidak tahu. So that's what we would like you everyone to do in the class in the future. Jadi biar anak-anak itu sadar kalau oh di Jawa itu ada kultur gini tau gitu ya. Yang tahu paling anak-anak Banyuwangi saja gitu. Kembang dok itu tadi. Kayak sebelah tadi saya bingung. Itu apa ya? Kok pakai wig, pakai itu keren banget gitu sebenarnya. Itu sebelah. Okay, now so I really enjoy the conversation that you have with the students ketika di awal tadi ya. And I do appreciate that you are brave enough to choose speaking. And ini speakingnya nggak yang simple expression asking, do you agree, asking opinions that you like or dislike. But ini adalah, walaupun memang siswanya udah pintar-pintar sih ya. The speaking is for recount text, yang mana itu agak belibet gitu kan jelaskannya. Karena itu tadi di depan mau di-connect dengan yang sebelumnya gitu rencananya, which is really good. Dan yang saya suka lagi tadi template-nya sudah dimunculkan, jadi kayak Caca, Miss boleh minta tunjukkan template-nya nggak, guide-nya nggak? So students will be able to, oh I have to talk about this first, and then that one, and then that one. Jadi it makes the students implement what they have learned and what they should talk about. Okay, next. What I like most about your performance, starting from meeting 1, meeting 2, and this cycle 3, is that your performance is always rich in content. Saya sukanya Iza itu karena kontennya itu kayak gitu misalnya, berbagai macam tuh dimasukkan dan berusaha didalami. Seperti yang sharing gitu ya. Sharing apa, biasanya kan ditentukan tentang ini dan ini gitu kan. Tadi saya tanya, Miss ini bebas, boleh apa saja, boleh apa saja. So that really makes the lived experience dari students-nya. And then after that, you ask the students to share dalam satu kelompok. Harusnya lebih seru lagi kalau dalam kelompok aslinya ya. Tapi nggak apa-apa karena memang terbatas gitu ya. Kita tidak menduga itu akan terjadi. But that's still okay. Or perhaps ketika tadi Caca maju, Hindu maju, mungkin bisa ditanya, why do you choose that specific topic? Kenapa kok menurut kamu itu berkesan? Why do you want to point that out? Ketika tadi Hilmi menyebutkan ada apa? Apa nyebutnya? Fireworks, firecracker maksudnya kan? Petasan.
Petasan.
Oh, saya bayangkan tadi itu ada apa namanya? Kembang api gitu, gaya banget. Okay, ada petasan and things like that. Then you ask him, what makes you choose that? Kenapa kok menurut Hilmi kamu memilih itu? Apa sih yang menjadikan alasan menurut kamu itu interesting? Things like that. Terus kemudian closure tadi sama seperti yang dikatakan oleh Tisha, mungkin lebih baik dilakukan bareng-bareng ya daripada diborong sendiri sama Iza. Kayak di akhir tadi kayak mau ngapain lagi ya, terus gimana ya gitu. Is that what happens in your mind?
Karena saya udah gak suka atas apanya sih, Miss. Jadi kayak,
Yaudahlah gitu ya udah deh. Oke, jadi mungkin yang bagian itu nanti perlu ditata lagi, mungkin karena kecapean ya.
lebih ke karena kan dari awal udah kepikiran yang kembali ke
Oh,
pecah saya pikir aja
pikiran juga pecah ya, jadi ini gimana mau compare-nya gitu ya, idenya gimana gitu. Oke, never mind that. Tapi untuk antisipasi yang sudah kamu lakukan sudah sejauh ini dengan keadaan terbatas yang sudah oke. So thank you for your performance today. Good job on doing that. Alright, saya matikan dulu ya.